Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see the chapter logarithm for the 10th class. Okay. Now first we will see some formulas. After that problems. So logarithm, if suppose a power of y is equal to x, this is exponential form. So a power of y is equal to x. If we want to write in logarithm form, send a to this here, so y will come down, y is equal to x is same, a when shift to here it become log a. So y is equal to x, y is equal to log x base a. Read as y is equal to log x base a. So this is base a. Now let us see some properties. So properties, formulae, log mn base a. Here it is product. So this is known as product rule. So if it is product, addition, log m plus log n. So log mn means log m plus log n. Example, log 5x base a. So log 5 plus log x, multiplication, addition. Next formula, log m by n base a. So division, log m minus log n. Example, log 75 by 16. So log 75 minus log 16. See, if product is there, addition. If division is there, minus. This is known as product rule. This is known as quotient rule. Now power rule. So power rule means log m power n base a. So n will come in front. N log m base a. N log m base a. Let us see example. Log 5 power of 7 base 3. 7 will come here. 7 into log 5 base 3. Next formula, log 1 base a 0. Log 1 any base 0. Example, log 1 base 5 0. Log 1 base 7 0. Log 1 base 8 0. Any base 1 is there, 0. Next, log a base a 1. If it is same, it's 1. Let us see some examples. Log 4 base 4, same 1. Log 3 base 3, 1. Log x base x, 1. Log 10 base 10, 1. And ln e is equal to 1. Next, log m base a is equal to log n base a. Log a cancel, m is equal to n. So log m base a is equal to log n base a. M is equal to n. Example, log x base 5 is equal to log 7 base 5. Log 5 cancel, x is equal to 7. Next, a power of log a m. So a log a cancel, m. Example, 2 power of log 2 9. Log 2 cancel, 9 is the answer. Next, log m base n. So I can write as log m by log n. Log m by log n. Example, log 3 base 5. So log 3 by log 5. Another example, log x base y. Log x by log y. Next formula, log a base b. Change the base. So 1 by log b base a. Here log a base b. Here 1 by log b base a. Example, log 2 base 3. I can write as 1 by log 3 base 2. Change. Log x base 5 is equal to 1 by log 5 base x. Log 5 base x. Next, log a power of m base b power of n is equal to m by n log a base a. Example, log 49 base 343. Log 49 I can write 7 power of 2. 343 7 power of 3. So these 2 by 3 outside into log 7 base 7. Log 7 base 7 1. 1 into 2 by 3 2 by 3. Let us see some problems. Find the values of the following. See here, log 100 base 10. So log 100 I can write as 10 power of 2. 10 means 10 power of 1. So these 2 and by 1, 2 by 1 into log 10 base 10. 2 by 1, 2, log 10 base 10, 1. 2 ones are 2. Next, log 64 base 2. So this 64 means 2 power of 6. 2 means 2 power of 1. 6 by 1 into log 2 base 2. 6 by 1, 6. Log 2 base 2, same, 1. 6 ones are 6. Next, log 625 base 5. Since it is 5, 625 can be written as 5 power of 4 into this 5 power of 1. 4 by 1 log 5 base 5. 4 by 1 4, log 5 base 5 1. 4 ones are 4. Next, log 343 base root 7. So log 343 7 power of 3. 7 root means 1 by 2. So these 3 by 1 by 2 into log 7 base 7. 2 will come up in the numerator. 3 into 2 by 1 into same 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Okay. Now another problem. Log 5 base 25. So 5 can be written as 5 power of 1. 25 can be written as 5 square. So this 1 and 2 outside, 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5. 1 by 2 log 5 base 5 1. 1 by 2 ones are 1 by 2. Next, log 3 base 81. 3 means 3 power of 1. 81 means 3 power of 4. So 1 divided by 4 into log 3 base 3. 1 by 4 log 3 same means 1. 1 by 4 into 1, 1 by 4. Next, log 1 by 16 base 2. This 1 by 16, when I will bring up with the formula 16 power of minus 1. Since it is 2, I can write as 2 power of 4. 4 into minus 1 minus 4. So power rule, minus 4 will come here. Minus 4 into log 2 base 2. Minus 4 log 2 base 2 1. 4 minus 4 ones are minus 4. Next, log root x base x. Root means 1 by 2. X log x. So this with the formula power rule, 1 by 2 will come here. 1 by 2 log x base x. 1 by 2 log x base x 1. 1 by 2 ones are 1 by 2. Next question, log 512 base 2. 2 means 2 power of 1. 512 means 2 power of 9. 9 will come here into log 2 base 2. 9 same means 1. Log 2 base 2 1. 9 ones are 9. Next, log 2 by 3 8 by 2 27. Since it is 2 by 3, I can write as 2 power of 3 3 power of 3. Take 3 common. 2 by 3 power of 3. So 3 will come here into log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. 3 into log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. Same 1. 3 ones are 3. Next, log 0.1 base 10. So 10 as it is, 0.01. 0.01 can be written as 1 by 100. 1 by 100 means 10 power of minus 2. Minus 2 will come here into log 10 base 10. Minus 2 log 10 base 10 1. Minus 2 ones are minus 2. See, write the expression as single and find their values. See here, whenever you ask in logarithm single, we will use the formula as log a plus log b. Plus means into, multiply. Log a minus log b. Minus means divide. Log a by b. See here, the question is log 2 plus log 5. Since addition is there, log 2 into 5. 2 into 5, 10. Log 10, 1. Next, 3 into log 4 base 64. 4 as it is, 4 power of 1. 64 means 4 power of 3. So this 3 outside, 1 by 3 into log 4 base 4. 3 outside, 1 by 3 into log 4 base 4. Same 1. 1 by 3 ones are 1 by 3. 3 cancel. 1 is the answer. Next question. Log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Since minus is there, log a minus log b. Log a by b base 2. 16 by 2, 8. So this 8 can be written as 2 power of 3. This 3 will come here into log 2 base 2. 3 into log 2 base 2, 1. 3 ones are 3. See here. 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. 2 will go from power rule, 3 square. 3 will go here, 2 power of 3. Log 3 square, 3 3s are 9, minus 2 cube. Log 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus means divide. Log 9 by 8. Next question. Log 10 plus log 2 log 3 minus log 2. So log 10 as it is, 2 will send here, power rule formula. Log 3 square minus log 2. Log 10 plus 3 square 9. 10 plus means addition, multiplication. 10 9s are minus log 2. 10 9s are 90. Log a minus log b. Log a by b. 90 by 2. 90 by 2, 45. Okay. Now next question. Expand the following. Expand means we will use formula same as log a into b. Here we expand as log a plus log b. And log a by b means log a minus log b. So log x square y cube z4. So I can write as log x square plus log y cube plus log z power of 4. From power rule formula, 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. Next question. Log p square q power of 3 by r power of 4. So this log a by b, log p square q cube minus log r power of 4. Since multiply a plus b. So log p square plus log q cube minus log r power of 4. 2 will come here, 2 log p plus 3 log q minus 4 log r. Next question. Log root of x cube by y square. So this root I can write as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 I can write as 1 by 2 will come here, 1 by 2 log x cube by y square. So log a by b formula, log a minus log b. So 1 by 2 log x cube minus log y square. So from the using power rule, 1 by 2 outside, 3 log x minus 2 log y. Next question, log 128 by 625. Log a by b, log a minus log b. So log 128 can be written as 2 power of 7 minus log 625 can be written as 5 power of 4. So 7 will come here, 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. That's all.